But anyways, we're gonna film with this one today. I'm just gonna film inside some of this cool stuff because a lot of times in Macau you get these little things on the side, and this is the camera's a little bit blurry, but at times, anyways. This is called Patio de Banco. So. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this one I'm gonna film starting this. I've never known what this building is. It's like Centro Catolico, and I think it's kind of abandoned now. And it used to be maybe a high school, maybe. Could have been a lot of different things, but the lettering is always there. And what I'm going to be doing today is viewing a little bit of Macau, and we're going to start in this area, kind of walking towards these three places, which are some of the main tourist spots. And we're going to start down this alley, and I have filmed in this alley before. I'm going to film it again today. It's also some kind of cool alleys in general, just, you know, park the bikes down there. And I have this camera that is not my GoPro. The GoPro is very stabilized, this one is not. But the GoPro is having a lot of problems. It's a GoPro 7. And I'm kind of waiting out for the GoPro 8, but every time I use my GoPro 7 it turns off on me. It's frustrating. Overheats. So I don't know if that's a flaw with that particular camera or just my camera. But anyways, we're going to film with this one today. I'm just going to film inside some of this cool stuff because a lot of times in Macau you get these little things on the side. And this is, the camera's a little bit blurry, but at times, anyways. This is called Patio de Banco. So we're gonna go right back to this main street again, and basically see what's around. So, all right. I think also today I'm gonna try to get a different camera so that I can, you know, go back to filming with a nice GoPro style. Another alley. I have filmed in here before. Tiger Sugar is a chain. I've been seeing that in different places all of a sudden. Brown sugar, boba milk. So, okay. I'm gonna try to hold the camera steady as I can. But maybe sometimes this camera has some advantages because I can zoom in like that. Let's see. So, and this is basically kind of an interesting little alley. And I'm kind of trying to get somewhere today. A very busy schedule, so I'm going to try to go as fast as I can while still slowing and taking time. I wasn't sure what this was because it looks like temples usually have this kind of thing, and there's little temple things, but there's no temple in there. It's a parking garage. Let's see. Okay. Look. I guess yeah, it's an apartment complex. So, okay. Got a little ramp right there. And we're just gonna keep going in here. So let me see. It's like different pastries. Let's look at the pastries here. It's like there's like a slice of cheese and croissant. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this alley. Well, this alley is transforming. There's a big, they're doing some construction up there. But traditionally this alley, well, there's a Starbucks, KFC, and here's some pretty good tasty food right here. There's the owner back there. This is called Arabian kebab. I went in there once and got really good food. So we're gonna there's a fruit stand right here that I always see on a regular basis. It's always here. And we are going to walk towards the Portuguese bookstore. I think maybe later today I have to upgrade my camera, get another GoPro or something equivalent. I don't know if you saw that shirt, but it's kind of funny. If not, go back and see it. If I can catch it in the editing, I will show it and stop it and pause it. Maybe I did, I don't know. There's always like two things. When I'm filming, I say one thing, but then when I actually edit, something else can happen, so. Okay, so this is kind of where the main spot is at, so I think this is gonna conclude. I'm trying to keep my video shorter. So if you like this, just make sure that you like the video. A lot of cars coming right there. That's when I wanted to stop right there so you can kind of see the view right there, and then we'll stop.